But yeah, if you stretch the conversation a little bit, now we say cocoa board. An institution, a Jumane say, Ghana cocoa, ye dreamina, and a young concoto, na young concoton, na young fasicano be emitia for no cat, na young so, young for being more mine hobrano. A baban is saying, and that institution will quickly transform from your friend is saying profit making entity into a sort of debt producing machine, because cocoa board is one a debt machine they see her a car and they produce you, and for me it's very embarrassing. And ubekomno now but decisions are caused in recent times kwabrane a body team at the institution now, yeah, because we live in a country where punitive sanctions need those kind of way, you know, you are relegated to the background. So anybody, I'll be your opportunity to be in power and things, I can just do anything and get away with it. NPP have listened to a lot of the guys in there, farming areas, farmers are seeking to incite them, say, but that is not what the situation is. The fact of the matter is, cocoa board na kasanaya. Ya bureka gusu and some of the panya a kana fast buy no mind boggling, you understand? And sometimes I blame the current cocoa board, say. Yeah. You see, whenever you inherit an entity or we are saying and a situation like this, let the people know. I can't just say governance and yabosom. So what's your sam swa or that so? Because one problem, I think I will try to tell people the state and nobody will take you serious. You understand? I sat here some time ago and attempted to open some of the way to do. Because that is what you need to, governance and open it up. Let people know the state of... Because John Mahama promised to pay cocoa farmers 70% of the FOB price. And indeed, he paid. But the only unfortunate thing is dollar, no, I'm set for Mintino, the money and not as a farmers of Monsacano, they couldn't. Because that is the exchange, you a great problem. I wasn't the president, but the promise that he made is over to your cocoa farmers 70% of the FOB price, you know. He kept that particular promise, but I'm saying that dollar, no, aswati aba for mintino. Cocoa farmers, around 6,000, you know. They couldn't get because of the exchange rate. And it is a lie for LB. Better Biaka say promise no make you and the promise has been and dollar no swati aba for no. Cocoa farmer no sika kese there, but are compensating the other side. And I look at the economy and I try to stabilize, you know. And it's a woje sikana wenya, even though said that now we expect to say because no wenya na. It will compensate for these things. But kwabranisha actually and now to go among for say sikana almost 70,000. Sa 70,000 the whole FOB price, you know. Sa buying time na the man farmers quite new 7,000 because of the exchange rate. So it is highly hypocritical. And again, answer na buying back on na sa jute sack na se for no. Yeah, there a big report to clear ko munyan clear. Kwabrani sign contract e ko pia bebrebe gum some of the sack na ye be here no. Maybe in the next 5-6 we kwa no yen
15 years old.
Exactly. But kwabrani tena sign contract cocoa board no dey come e bo modern e ko sign sa contract no e ko to buy. I know that they are morning and today they are emboldened to be doing press conference. And again, 2016 John Mahama Babakono. Yeah. Na cocoa ni to strive to a point. Eka 2016. Yenya ya fancy 1 million metric tons of cocoa. Yeah. 2024. Abayin Obakono. Na cocoa syndicated loan yakwakwaje. Say ye baba to cocoa. Na yakwakutu ayakano syndicated loan na yedeka. It got to a point even cocoa we had to collateralize it. Yekosikam sabe ya ibenye sika. Cocoa board this ne ya fan saying ne documents I yedeka loan kwa fan saying ne credit worthiness enam so am I kwaji loan every na it was zero. You could not go out there because cocoa na wakwaji want to be yaka over 390 something thousand metric tons of cocoa. You need to pay in the next year. And the funny aspect of it is next year now ubetiano say cocoa price in the cost of now you are not going to sell at the current price because nipa no in the car in the last year, so you are going to use the last year price and just such an entity never that could. So these are the factual realities egu ha enyina egu yanimu a yatena na yantumi and pay attention to. Over the years, made the financing model of cocoa board I've always criticized it. It doesn't make sense. Sa cocoa syndicate ya kwaje bafuna nsi ho ya ba beto cocoa ne akwakutua. So when the NPP in 2022 make that declaration, so free na kono syndicated loan young kwajibiem, they created an impression say or more other financing model be a sustainable pay. Not knowing say a Canana Cocoa Board books, were so dirty to the sense that and the credit ratings of Ghana at the time, there wasn't any single entity from Ghana. Oh, bet me a carbon, because you demonstrated say so we lost that particular chance to go to your friend saying for that cocoa syndicated loan. And the papa so I'm making it look like government has a certain financing model be ever. And then in the mua a buying changing there need to be a definite discussion as to what financing model will be appropriate for us because early stages are Mahamadu taking over no. Now the economy they said that so you cannot make and start any conversation to go for any loan at the time because mine and kasakwana fena over here near mama near my ye and son what thinking about loan. So the option of going for those loans, now then the cocoa board will have to fall on other people who are ready to provide their money for you to buy the cocoa. Then ukotonwa. Not your friends say who say the BCI no, but private person or not in the CK amount that money no and like at the FN guarantee other sources of where the amount and you no scan or the amount or share the prevailing your friends a market price. And the who promise of farmers he doesn't care because he's a business person. You understand? And sikana buy what the top price no catch say and the cocoa no eswati. Before I buy a take over, no, I buy take over early stages, now it was around 5,000 metric tons, 5,000 per ton, $1 per ton, and then I dip it almost by your friends $100,000, about 4,000, 4,000, what you can set it price, price, on the previous 5,000. Cocoa farm, and you cannot go to a cocoa farm and tell them matter price, and so that can never happen in this country because it will be politically suicidal. So a buyer will have to find any other alternative aside reducing the cocoa price because the very moment you go say I want to that is suicidal. You know, say politically it is very dangerous to make that decision. And the question is, how do you come up with a way the financing gap will be addressed? And this is the challenge. In some of my country, when you know, say, and yet deliberate say, obiti cocoa board and that, Randy Aben, what take certain reckless decision, Nadia Babedu and that. Systemic, and catch up with us. So going forward, I think what we need to discuss is the appropriate financing model. Either say a domestic or external. Now you're making sure say cocoa board say and a very secure source of funding going forward. This is how we want to do it. And again, now most massa near my way, cannot just walk free. And because people sat our ECG did the same thing. Okay, cables and nasa for them. Every night a binum sawamni nasa for them. Quite first or mine sometimes what's in China as a young person, I will hear the rate they pine near my first you feel so embarrassed and ask yourself, and your my way. Obiti baby or drum my home because you can't be doing these things. Abania lose power and sign contract yen to talk to Tonema and the sad aspect in the said Sanya Maninya Medru, any panini in Canada because why one juicy car on bomb farm. So our mind cannot be running on this particular line. So for me, I think that it's sad that this thing Cocoa Board is going through this way, but I think that now that the president has taken keen interest in it, I hope that we'll be able to navigate our way through. Now, sir, and some now Akufo Addo Nkrasi omutu ntrogu cocoa farmers assume say obi na akoboka na obi na yese no obi ya yese no nnokwa bi anim nipo modi cocoa board eka edwim ne nasefo the same person because entity no you hand it over to them no now it has a positive we have saying equity about a sign I will hand it over, then you are run over about 2.something billion in terms of negative equity. And the same person today have the moral audacity running from farmers telling them, say, and buying after musika, sikaben buying a fire. When they are privy to the prevailing way, your friend is saying the market. And again, and I'm saying over the years, yenya near my yentino. Cocoa na yen ye produce any Cote d'Ivoire no. We are not the people who even determine the price. Isn't it shameful? Yana ye produce a raw material no. And yeah because we are unable to add value. Nipa no ko add value no will determine the price. It doesn't make sense. So we must also be looking at value addition. Kwa ebe fa so cocoa no you ever turn it into a finished product. So you send your product now, and then there is a price tag. In your one otchere inside, but also one raw now the car on the decoy BB or the factory. So on the bed the price in amount. So we must also be looking at some of these things. Cocoa board the car to the sense that now one of the entities is CMB or one of the cocoa marketing way. Now you're torn a Japan, your body don't come in because PBC.
Yeah, PBC, yeah, PBC.
Yes. Emma Brandt be kind they not happy with it. Your power man continue fear.
That was last week.
Yes, the gentleman. And these jokers today are out there making loud noise about cocoa board. Yeah, PBC, you know. Yes, a son and near man a car and as a phone you be good way and I auction because a carmen or the entity agu. Cocoa board the same thing.
You could be sad Dr. Bawumia will meet the press or also on your way say cocoa board you go.
Oh yo. So yeah, these are the factual realities. So I think government should find a way. Yeah, abayemawa. Nya friend na ube blame. I understand. Say you don't need to be blamed, but I think the story must also be told.
Exactly.
Because these people are out there deceiving farmers and telling them say sikana obukura ka say esan komama mo 60 million.
Yeah.
How is it possible? The FOB price at the time and a cost require 5,000. 5,000 no convert here saying how can you pay way? But the fact is that dollar na swate the bank kept its promise by making sure that the 70% of the FOB price will be paid. But dollar depreciation, you know, it has gone to the other side. You understand?
So dollar no so depreciating side and
that is the level of intellectual dishonesty slot into our politics. Some of these guys because I'm one of the negative politics. Yan say nipa they are the best when it comes to some of these things. But the things they are accusing people of, you know, almost setting the board emotion, everything that has happened. Since when everybody cocoa a buying will have to pre-finance. Your friends say, "Who kofa cocoa, who kwakutiaka, who Jessica, what you do and you did all these things in the Allah. Yeah, it's funny.
Mete Osha rollover contractor we cocoa board and casa document. Kwa mfano nya de me kwa namnim. Or total rollover contract of 333,768 metric tons worth at 2,661 per ton. Into total delivered 235,395 metric tons using 2024-2025 production purchase at producer price of $3,100 per ton. Yes, I don't know. So
you see, said there is a financing gap now.
There's a financing gap. So say $103 million. Send a bet me a gap na about.
Yes, and my culture said price in water so it's not an option.
Yeah.
So it means that is why the president has come in. You need to find a way.
Yeah, because to go and look for money.
Yes, a customer will benefit here, but from so you should. So that is how. But I think that cocoa board now structurally, you know, we need to just set it up properly.
Yeah.
And some of the institutional laxity, you know, is high. I think there must be certain stringent measures.
Conditions and services so your power.
Oh, now can I want to say you too big way that? Yeah, I think that you see, state own enterprises, you know, over the years, and there are two teams. They are not entities. They run a profits. But can we say they are entities? They are running for a loss. So most of them have become debt-producing machines. And on mobile mine car, Bank of Ghana to meet Kroma for the first time to move over 60 billion. What to be that? ECG Airboka. Your friends saying almost all the entities Airboka. But these are people who are paid well. CEO, he's paid even better than the president and MPs.
Yeah.
For them. Your friends are fact allowances, but they are all running debt. Yes, we can understand that some of the rule, no, but we cannot always be accepting. No. That human indiscretions, those kind of stuff.
Divine. Cocoa board assembly.
When him cocoa board assembly, I assemble here, and when you put it, if you put it into a historical perspective, we say cocoa for the cocoa board in some dia obe to me atuna jejemu and also obe handle no ebia like because we check here history fiti Kwame Nkrumah pencil even pre-colonial times any post besinda who say yen budget and yen GDP ni bibia no we for cocoa contribution from the economy never crashing and that's a big collapse.
Sure.
Contribution no very, very significant. Would mean relegate you.
Yeah.
And it had to say a client for no only year or contract. Do you know say almost come here dear training say co school.
Yeah.
Na fa onim de ye no be manage ye na no ma adwe na we ache no say co school. Na fa onim de ye no ebra ebeboa na ye manage ye. Ye mum no mo de akọ school no ye nyansa na ye nya ye no ye mum ye de wi omo ye de bomb kro no e mismanage omo and that's quite unfair. She cocoa board literally practically like crumbling on its knees how to say yeah our challenges. Why how did we get here?
Yeah.
It's because say nipa sheda boni trimu pose omo placing the interest of the ordinary farmer no e was so e no mo ankasa because how come say e kai fo no mo ko efuom omo ko nwuram ekodo ede enuaye ba na oman no timi di kwaji bosia o e wo mudin mu omo suma mu yoba mo kra mo de kwaji hu sika eje ho faso na eba na wo say untumi nya omo sika e fa amomo it's because of how ya manage institution no hwe ukokai Auditor General's report 2023 dia ya wo ni say unim say administrative overhead costs nkwa ebro the entire sika no mu di tua cocoa farmers foka na o share omo breakdown one you can see say crofo just wicked say omo call for monitoring no hwe omo call monitoring say o otchere mu no aba wafuom na yesi o ye behwe na ye hwe say o ko share budget ya assign ya omo de call rounder more than half of producers for can cause that particular unit office monitoring meanwhile na yesi enye sika enfentua even when there was an embargo placed on recruitment say no your budget no I tight into at this point no my enye recruitment me enye say that was when last minute.
Yes, and it's true. Quickly, I think that this overstaffed cocoa board and workers no over 100,000.
Yeah, and somebody was saying he was met with say you
packing it
you're packing and I say you be this yes
payroll so crampa ye ni office mom ye ni baby mom ye ni baby adwuma mo ye and ye recruit and it's cut across na Ivan Ekashe scholarship secretariat e ka amagina to and na me no ka say omanga na hia suahunu bi wo advanced artificial intelligence man bi munti no we need to go and expand our UK ya de ka UK amasisi ye ntumi emfa microphone ko bi how did we get here in 2022-2023 the Minister of Finance wrote to the secretariat scholarship secretariat say no pause Sankrofo na mo position mo ni na no yen hwe how ye be reconcile in financial na make sure say omu sikasam ye betua biansa unim say da sorry ye no kwabra ni 2024 no kra na ya ma no warning kra no 2023 e ho kra no sa so ni nipa e ko kumu na dia ya ni say okwabra ni ani oba atwempena nimpena oni oba na twi keke ni ti no obekọ no oba na musua ni nyina line ni nyina obi agu UK enya scholarship and it's not even based on merits. Sadi we cut across me dear me cocoa no. I'm not going to say many are buying enya say ebia baby state na buying ehunu one I to say why handicap quite handicapped no may sympathize with buying but me there I'm on the side of the farmers. The farmers no na me there me ni omo urging because e kokokokoko ba ye didi no mo akomo de omo. What I say? Your bar bros ya na sankrofone tete ho. Your bar bros ya na sankrofone to share ECG. Could you imagine say okabrani o me ni maji oni panitrim na o say or procure stationery. Stationery or procure in advance of 30 years.
Yes, niama no obode ba no.
Photocopy paper. Wa 30 years.
Wa madam.
People to say photocopy paper and ya de be say no order aba begu honum that no tear and there be jute sacks ya order containers ye to be clear ya sanso order etua in advance no Kwabena Kofie akoda na yere nchen ani yete hande na yesi kokofo no ye nya abotre mo obi ani obenya abotre why we must find money as say ye di kotio mo ka no e say dem sika mo but abai so to me mba no me hwe han e be ka say oh ye tua sika we are going to find money somewhere until ye tua we omo di sa abone no no makokoda Auditor General's report 2023 biwa sika ye lusu ye through malpractice, corruption and corruption related in Yemen. It was a tune of 25 billion. We didn't say 18.5 is a energy sector and ECGP. Energy sector 18.5 billion. Now besides say Ebane saying Nipa na omo running under no mo kwanda no or no say or engage in what's your friend CSR. Corporate social responsibility. Ako, onu no ti o ntumi ntia ene events independent power producers ka, ontumi ntia osimesika, ontumi ye hwe no, onu so akokoto motorbikes more than 1,000 because say order. Who's a Ghana problem in procurement?
Yeah.
And akokoto motorbikes so the Kwakoma institution. So no ye corporate social responsibility. Yanka se to untuaka. And all this thing is sinking into individual pockets. Why are they still there? Imagine say obeko ECG say asa okoto credit. Wa okita osika, obedu esi network. Network ni so ye will be contract every month be as you tia the car. Now still the person is still holding on. Nipa na so na so manage the same contract. You see there be. Meanwhile no okwa services na you say provide them amount for no any ho.
Na no nam ha na meter nyansa ye nya hwe kwabrane award meter ye replace. Yes, because the contract.
Me see Ghana problem no. Procurement. And unim say ya ma sebi nkofa dwen nya adwuma. Dan madam bi ka kire me teacher ni bi o upper west. Oto honum and what so letter ko ECG say omo roof eliki omo here nsuo omo here washroom near yi omo tra omo sanka omo ho no mu a ye the next more than 400 ababegu ono bi say
na nkonya rom de
omo de no say o ya order from ministry na de abana mudinka ono so no request for hwe omo say o njia na ejagu awia ne mu because ye the contractor mo bi say ko bobo next na pabegu onum na yentua o kai when people don't even need it it who say Ghana has will be pretend say ordwin na oye bibi kakra na it say bi obenya film but when it comes and benefit you mo no mama dwen no abo ayi I say Gyamfi abo mutrim hwa bibi o kai say ayi nkrofo bi e share that by say obo ba support in health sector abc cheap compounds ni ayi na that time no President John Romani Mama first term no ma sign a contract be esenka abanda da no continue minister ne buy no unu say because ye buy you see ye man kickback ye man hwe bia menu omo ye ya na omo si o yes eba eno kwa ka ma bibi ye sake no all because na o push age omo ko find out no okọ ese okọ cabinet meeting ko fone to one mo si o zango for project ne dey mi wa ko fone no do musika ba be bibia be from the start mo ya ba hwe itino ye boy ho abra say ye be gin dia solving crofo problem a ye di anim dia ne adwe ne nya adwuma na ke tra say hwe okuye ni ye si cocoa contract cocoa road is lego ye cocoa ho it is a cocoa ni a onu kwafuo mu we all know how roads near deplorable now say there be unkosi hospital unkosi health facility mom unyo kwan yie uba be si cocoa clinic ewo North Kaneshi meanwhile no mo ko fo mu a owo ka omo snake serum no ye freeze because one freeze e say o di aba betu kolebu kokolebu ne ko bisa se nipa he no wo ka omo e de omo ba ho 37 they come bush meanwhile bush mo no say you have to think about the farmers and their interests no you careless you know me say sometimes how are we trying say your boy and one boy treaty and near boy and one chrono me say last time you know I was on the observer mission in South Africa in their elections and one of my colleagues from Congo on me no catch him say sometimes boy and one bro because I say politician you can still solve the problem and eat. Exactly. And so let your children attend the best schools or say you will drive the best car and still solve the problem. How come say because me I don't know how
I agree.
It's possible say like me ebi wa nkofo dom ne meja me so manage we ma me was you construct obi wa o sit down was you divine obetimi aboa me ne yesi hwe edan ni keke na me hwe na me monitor say yesi o me kwa haba no me fa hwe but me akasa so me sorted in the process.
Yeah.
You also we minister. Unya sorted who award contract who make sure say contract no yeah unya hwe now make sure say wa award we nye kickback crowd dey but make sure say ade no they are solving na mu dem giwi a na makọ akoda say ye nyina ye fe ano enkope mu bo how do you treat the state like that me kokobot problem no I am emotional sentimental about it because people suffer ye bre and as you see you know ya nye careful black gold na ye keka na you see you won't say black gold na cocoa na cocoa e so your economy na se no when you give people options people will go for other avenues and boa on my no for instance you see ye nyina nim gold me ni maybe if you say see baby out to unya bi na crofo be start so me be experiment and unfortunately for us as a country too see let's not pretend. I always say this any policy be national policy be for especially the youth in future no you need addressing what we call the shortfall artisanship mu.
Yeah.
It told them say see no because of a certain culture. See young people are mobile no on pay juma on pay kiayo on pay apprenticeship.
Quick money.
Bibia quick because our orientation na yede mam mrante ne nkola no at the basic level no say it see obi aye quick na nke ba ne say na isi hairdresser etumi tena ho no achiro apprentice needed with salary. Apprentice yes also ever apprentice and the salary ka ho. That's why we are going.
I can pay.
They see unim say we see die obekọ site say 10 people na on 9 enkrofo mu fi neighboring countries Ghana ni ba.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.